Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add Microsoft Print to PDF printer on Windows 10. Click Start Settings. Click Devices. Click Printers. Microsoft Print to PDF printer is not listed. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Select Microsoft Print to PDF. Click Close. Restart system. Microsoft Print to PDF printer is successfully installed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.